We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with a penny stock, nmtr, 9 meters Biopharma Inc. And this stock has a huge potential of a possible squeeze or technical run, right? That's what we're going to discuss and talk about in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned on Friday morning. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Now we're going to break it all down in today's video, what's going on here with nmtr, and what to look for moving forward. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%, but one of them turned out to be a home run. And that was HYMC, guys. We caught HYMC early on in the pre-market. It was actually consolidating and pulling downwards. And towards the bell, it had a quick run of about 10 to 20% plus. Pulled back down, took off into transitions of strength here on 42 Vision. Got a bull indicator and hit a highest point of 90% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with nmtr, and 9 meters Biopharma Inc. has been consolidating within this area here as we see it bouncing between 50s and 60-cent range. Now we're going to talk about what's going on here within the volatility, what key levels to look at. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, guys, whether stocks are going up or going down. So the most recent run just happened towards the end of last 2 weeks, right? The last 2 weeks, it actually ran from the 8th all the way until the 10th, right? With that bull indicator here on the 55-cent range, all the way to the highs here of 63. And then after the 10th, it's been under a bear indicator and pulling downwards. Now, this has been bouncing multiple times and running from the 55 cent range, and 54 cents is the recent 52-week low. Now, if it breaks through that, this could go into further weakness. And if we zoom out, it's pretty tough to go all the way back, years back actually, to find a support below 54 cents, right? You go back to the history, it's pretty tough. Now, I do see here way back in 2020, March and also May, it hit lows of 36 cents and 44 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and use 45 cents as the next support level if this breaks through 54 cents. And then the next one below that would be 35 cents. But here we are sitting at around 55 cents. And that's what we're going to break down here in today's video, what to look for. So the first thing is on the 30-minute, things have been pretty volatile, right? And this is a penny stock, and it has the potential to squeeze the shorts out, force them to cover, and also a technical setup of being around the lowest points of the 52-week range and one of its lowest points that we've seen in months. And it's bounced away from it multiple times, came back to it, and 2 times broke out significantly, right? So the question is, are we going to shift from a bear indicator to a bull indicator? That is going to be one of the main things to look for within these levels based off Ultimate 42 Vision. And also, we are currently right now in the red bar area. If this was to go into further weakness, the next point would be white with red borders, signifying further extreme weakness. Right now, we are in the red area last time it took off right here all the way to this point, it was in red bars anyways, but it was followed by a bull indicator, so that will be something significant to pay attention to over here. Now, as we see it though, let's go ahead and remove some of this volatility and put the 1 hour so we could look at this from the bigger picture, right? So if I pull up the 1 hour here, you could see that things look a little bit much cleaner, and the last two runs that we've seen so far have had bull and bear indicators that look pretty clean, right? Popping up at 55, then actually popping up here around 58, but hitting a high here of 60 cents. And then we got another one here at 55 cents, and it took off to 63. And then the bear indicator popping up at 60 cents. So we've seen it come up within the 1 hour in a much more cleaner way and fashion. And this has been a consolidation area, and this has been a consolidation area. So one of the main things is we do not want to see this break below 54 cents, and worst case scenario 50 cents, right? But the next support below that is 45 cents based off the history of the chart as we saw earlier in the video. But 50 cents could be a strong area of trying to bounce back if the bears and shorts are trying to pull this down. But we are right now in a bear indicator, and the next point is looking for that reversal eventually to happen, and those shifts from red to red with green borders, dark green, and continuation of strength as you saw here, and a possible bull indicator popping up anywhere along this area as things are trying to come back up. And if it does not just happen like that right away, a consolidation within this area again could signify strength. It's near its 52-week low and could possibly have a bounce from there, right? So on the 1 hour, you can see clean the moves within the bullishness and bearishness. And then on the 4 hour, you could see the bigger picture that things did not gain strength significantly until this most recent run, shifted back to a bear indicator. And the last time we had a bear indicator was way up here at 94 cents. And it had a continuation to the downside here, right? So this was all consolidation and volatility. There was a move here, and it actually ended fairly fast. So now the question is, could this bear indicator be negated by another bull indicator anywhere along the lines of the next reversal, guys? So this is very speculative. This is a penny stock, biotech stock. Any news on it can either hurt it or make it grow. But based off technicals, near its 52-week low, it could possibly have a dead cat bounce or a technical reversal and shorts eventually getting squeezed out and having to cover. So bigger picture, we're under a bear indicator. Then you go over to the 1 hour, same thing, but you could see how much cleaner things have looked here within the volatility. And then we put the 30-minute, and things are under a bear indicator since way up here. And now we need to see if there's some strength. No rush with this one, in my opinion. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And in no shape or form am I telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold any positions within any of the stocks I mentioned or anything in this video. This is for entertainment purposes and for me to share my opinions and thoughts. But within this area, as long as it holds above 50 cents or even more, better so, 54 cents, there could be another dead cat bounce or possibility of a push to the upside. And if this breaks through 60 cents and gets above 63, 64 cents, there could be some strength here, and some shorts may start covering and getting squeezed out, pushing this up even further to the upside. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this one. Have you done any research on it? Have you heard about it? What do you know about it? I would love to see your guys' feedback down below so other viewers can be aware of what's going on with this one and if there's potential here apart from just looking at the charts and what 42 Vision is showing currently. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make